this is future Marwa from the future, after this, from kind of the end of this vlog is what I was saying. So basically I just realized that I'd never really told you what this vlog was about. I never really thought about that at all. So it's a bit of a, I don't want to say that, it's a bit of a mess. That's a bit negative. Well, it is a bit of a mess. But anyway, this is what it's about. During this month, I was contacted by someone that had seen my butterfly installation somewhere else, and they were interested in having one for themselves. So I went in, I gave them a quote, and had a look at the space, and then they were happy and they said, yes, let's go ahead. So I installed that for them, and this is what you will see. The second half of the vlog, I am filling an order for a past client. The client is a cemetery, and they wanted me, originally they wanted me to design like a little gift that they could give people who have lost someone, which is a really sad time in someone's life. So I created this little box with a butterfly in it and a quote, since butterflies are all about rebirth and that sort of thing. So yeah, but anyway, that's what this vlog is about. I hope that's interesting enough for you to stick around. So stick around, have a look, see what you think. If you like it, that's awesome. All right, thanks. Enjoy the vlog.
Fire Lord Sozin used that comet to begin the war. He and his firebending army harnessed its incredible power and dealt a deadly first strike against the other nations.
So the comet made them stronger?
Yes, strong.
What a curious thing when the world around you tells you just what you should do. And it's telling me I have to stop being shy and just tell you hello, but I suppose that it can wait another day or two, 'cause I don't have to worry, 'cause time is on my side. But I know each sun that sets may be our last chance, and each dawn marks another wasted night. And it feels so inane, and I know in my heart I should call out your name, 'cause baby, there's nobody else in the world who can love you like I don't have to worry. Time is on my side. The world will go on turning, and one day you will be mine. What I wanted to say was I love you, like the flowers used to love the rain. And I'll pick one for you someday, when this nuclear winter gives way to the nuclear spring. But for now, the dust and the rocks and the bones will sing. I'm coming for you. Time is on my side. The world will go on turning, and one day you will be mine. 'Cause I don't have to wait, 'cause time is on
broke my arm while I was hiking. Well, yeah, hiking. It was kind of more like a walk, really. But anyway, that's where it all went down. I still love it. It's beautiful.
This road, it takes me home where skies are blue. I walk this road because I know it leads to you. No matter when, no matter why, I have a place to go. place to